Looking for the best body camera that delivers reliability, durability, and crystal clear recording? Whether you're a security professional, outdoor adventurer, or just need dependable video documentation, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 5 best body cameras you can buy today. So, let's dive right in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Luxuglow body camera. The Luxuglow body camera is designed to deliver professional-grade recording in a compact and durable format. Crafted from high-quality materials, it is 3M drop-proof, shock-resistant, and IP68 rated for both waterproof and dust-proof protection, ensuring reliable performance in a variety of conditions. Its 4K ultra-clear pixel recording capability leverages intelligent sensors to capture crisp, detailed images even in low-light environments. The camera's advanced autofocus system prevents frame skipping or jamming, while intelligent noise reduction ensures clear, high-quality audio without background interference. Equipped with infinite loop recording, the Luxuglow body camera automatically overwrites older files when the memory card is full, guaranteeing uninterrupted recording and efficient use of storage space. Users can connect their smartphones to the camera's built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, allowing real-time video viewing and on-the-spot evidence collection without using mobile data. This feature is particularly useful for security, delivery verification, or any situation requiring immediate review of recorded footage. The device houses a 30,000 milliamp lithium battery, offering around 18 hours of continuous operation, reducing the need for frequent recharging during long shifts or extended outdoor activities. Its versatility extends across multiple scenarios, including express delivery documentation, security patrols, educational and training sessions, outdoor sports, vehicle monitoring, and cycling safety. The combination of durability, high-resolution imaging, long battery life, and real-time connectivity positions the Luxuglow body camera as a reliable tool for capturing and preserving critical moments in various professional and recreational settings. This body camera blends advanced technology with practical design, making it an essential companion for anyone needing dependable recording capabilities on the go. Coming in at number 4, we have the Occkic body camera. The Occkic body camera is a versatile and reliable wearable device designed to capture high-quality video and audio in a variety of scenarios. Equipped with 4K HD video recording, it ensures that every detail is captured clearly, making it ideal for professional use in law enforcement, traffic monitoring, and outdoor activities. The camera supports real-time monitoring through hot Wi-Fi, and voice synchronization allows audio to be recorded alongside video seamlessly, providing a complete record of events. This body camera is designed to be user-friendly, offering video, audio, photo, and playback functions in one compact device. It comes with a 1000 mAh rechargeable battery capable of delivering up to 8 hours of continuous recording, ensuring coverage for extended periods without interruption. External storage is supported with TF cards up to 128 gigabytes, and the device can format cards automatically, simplifying data management. Its record before and after feature ensures that no crucial moments are missed, while file protection keeps recorded data secure. Practicality is a key aspect of the Occkic body camera. The built-in back clip allows for easy attachment to clothing or pockets, making it lightweight, portable, and convenient for on-the-go use. Its durable construction and stable performance make it suitable for a wide range of activities, from professional policing and traffic enforcement to outdoor sports and adventure recording. Designed for versatility, the Occkic body camera provides dependable video documentation wherever it is needed, offering both reliability and high-quality performance in a compact, wearable form. This wearable camera seamlessly blends functionality, durability, and portability, making it an essential tool for anyone needing consistent, high-definition recording in dynamic environments. At number 3, the Vandlion A39 body camera. The Vandlion A39 body camera is a versatile and reliable recording device designed to meet a variety of needs. Equipped with HD 1080p video resolution, it captures clear and detailed footage, while its night vision capability, powered by 4 high-power IR lights, ensures visibility even in low-light environments. This makes it suitable for both day and night recording, whether for personal, professional, or security purposes. One of the standout features of the Vandlion A39 is its loop recording function. This intelligent system allows the camera to continuously record by overwriting the oldest files when memory is full, ensuring no important moments are missed. Additionally, the camera supports expandable storage with TF cards ranging from 8 GB to 256 GB, offering flexibility for extended recording sessions. The Vandlion A39 is powered by a robust 3000 mAh lithium battery, capable of recording for approximately 10 hours on a full charge. It also supports charging while recording, providing uninterrupted operation. For optimal performance, a 5V 1A genuine charger is recommended, and the battery typically reaches full capacity in around 4 hours. This body camera is not limited to personal security. It is equally effective for capturing sports activities such as cycling or skiing, acting as a sports DV, car DVR, or even for monitoring home and office environments. Its compact design and versatile functionality make it a practical choice for anyone looking to document important moments, ensure safety, or record professional meetings with ease and clarity. Whether for outdoor adventures, daily commuting, or security purposes, the Vandlion A39 body camera offers reliable performance and clear, high-quality video recording in a wide range of scenarios. In the second spot, we have the Leedoar CP-B10 body camera. The Leedoar CP-B10 body camera is a versatile recording device designed for both professional and recreational use. Originating from China, this body camera is built with quality construction, ensuring it can withstand a variety of environments while delivering reliable performance. Its portable design makes it easy to carry, offering convenience for law enforcement officers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Equipped with high-definition night vision, the CP-B10 captures clear and detailed footage even in low-light conditions, making it particularly effective for nighttime operations or dimly lit areas. As a sports camera, it bridges the gap between professional surveillance and recreational recording, allowing users to document activities with precision. Designed for chest placement, the camera provides hands-free operation, enabling officers to perform their duties without distraction while continuously recording their surroundings. This chest-worn feature also makes it suitable for adventurers who want to capture dynamic action without holding a device. The Leedoar CP-B10 combines portability, durability, and advanced imaging capabilities, offering a practical solution for capturing critical moments in both professional and outdoor settings. With its blend of rugged design, high-quality video capture, and user-friendly wearability, the CP-B10 stands out as a reliable tool for anyone needing dependable, hands-free recording in diverse scenarios. And finally, at number 1, we have the Boblov KJ25 body camera. The Boblov KJ25 body camera is designed to meet the demands of modern law enforcement, providing reliable and high-quality recording capabilities. With a 180p resolution and 48-megapixel photo size, the KJ25 ensures that every important detail is captured with exceptional clarity, making it easier to document incidents accurately. Its high-definition night vision allows users to record clear video even in low-light conditions, ensuring no crucial evidence is missed regardless of the time of day. The camera features a built-in 30,000 mAh rechargeable battery, supporting up to 13 hours of continuous recording. This extended battery life allows officers to focus on their duties without the constant concern of recharging. Its body-worn design offers hands-free operation, enabling users to record long or short clips by securely attaching the device to the chest. This positioning keeps the camera steady and provides a clear, first-person perspective, making it a practical assistant during daily operations. Compact yet durable, the KJ25 is engineered for portability and ease of use in various environments. Whether patrolling, investigating, or documenting critical events, the Boblov KJ25 body camera delivers consistent performance and dependable video evidence, making it a valuable tool for law enforcement professionals. Its combination of high-resolution imaging, night vision capability, long battery life, and hands-free design ensures that capturing clear and reliable footage is always within reach. The Boblov KJ25 body camera is an innovative solution for those who need to record activities efficiently and effectively, blending technology with practicality to support everyday law enforcement tasks.